Hi Drew people! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Drew Pure 3 Plus Air Purifier. First of all, make sure to remove the filter wrapping plastic inside the unit. Then, put the filter back on. Close it again by turning the screw clockwise. Place Drew on a flat surface that is not obstructed by any object, so it can work optimally to reach the entire room. Let's move on to Drew Pure 3 Plus Air Purifier's features. Plug the power cord first into an electric socket. Then, press the power button to turn the unit on. Drew Pure 3 Plus has an air quality indicator that tells you whether the air quality is good or bad for your health in real time. And the result is presented by 4 different light colors. White indicates good air quality, yellow is moderate, orange is unhealthy, and red indicates harmful air quality. By pressing Auto Mode button, Drew Pure 3 Plus can function automatically. The fan speed will adjust automatically according to the air quality indicator. Drew Pure 3 Plus can also be operated manually by pressing the fan button to control the speed with 4 modes: easy, normal, high, and powerful. To maximize air cleaning, Drew Pure 3 Plus has a UVC light button to sterilize harmful particles that have been filtered by the pre-filter, HEPA 13 filter, and carbon filter. Drew UVC light will not harm human skin because it is tightly locked in the unit and has been ensured that sterilization is carried out safely. Next is the sleep mode button. It is functioned for silent operation, suitable at the night time because the noise is very minimal. And the indicator light will also turn off. However, Drew will still clean the air very well. If the filter reset notification is on, it means that the filter is very dirty and must be replaced immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to register your unit to drewcare.id to activate the warranty and join the Drew filter replacement system. Let's simplify a healthier lifestyle with Drew.